Hi parents, this is Miss Douthit with the weekly updates for the week of September 29th. We're getting into October. We are going to go ahead and start with conferences. So we do understand that our sign up genius has filled up very quickly. We are working on adding those additional dates and times to meet with parents. We will continue to send the link out to sign up as we add those additional times. We do have almost 100 parents that we have to meet with, 100 families that we have to meet with, and each conference takes roughly 15 to 20 minutes. So we are trying our best to accommodate everyone. We do really appreciate your patience with this. An Amazon link also went out. I would love to do our first class store this Friday. Class stores can be really fun for students. I get some of my fifth graders from last year involved with helping as being our like cashiers. They're the cashiers that the kids go to pay. And they shop with me in the back. I give them a bill and they have to take the bill to the fifth graders to pay for it. It can be really fun in the mornings. Anything purchased from that Amazon link does go directly towards our class store for students to purchase with their STAR tickets they've earned. Other great items can be found at the dollar store, like the boxes of candy, like the movie theater boxes of candy. If you'd like to purchase some of those and send them in, or you can drop them off in the office, really anything helps. The Target dollar section is also really fun for kids to get items from there. The Walmart section in the front has some really great items as well. Anything really helps with it because we do have upwards of 100 students, so it definitely is a lot of items that they want to purchase. So if you take a look at that link, we would appreciate it. The link does get sent, anything purchased from the link does get sent directly to Stowers. Reading. Students will come home with their vocab trifolds tomorrow. We will have a short vocab quiz on Friday. This quiz will be having students focus on matching the vocab words with synonyms and antonyms, not fill in the blank. So in previous quizzes that we've done, the students have to read a sentence and fill in the blank with the correct vocab word. This time we're going to focus more on the synonyms and antonyms. Last week, the vocab quiz was combined with our reading quiz since we finished Unit 1. That's not going to be the case for this week. This week, we are just going back to the short vocab quiz. We had data chats today with administration in the Media Center where students spoke individually with either Miss Cochran, Miss Allers, Miss Edinger, Miss Ackerman, and Miss Woods about their goals for the year in regard to iReady, FAST, and grades. We have many fun prizes and rewards to look forward to as students meet their goals. You can ask them what some of those prizes and what some of their goals are for this year. We have started our morphology for this week, and we are focusing on uni, tri, poly, multi, semi, bi, and mono. All of our prefixes this week have a focus on the amount of something or how many. I have added some recommended books to students on Myon accounts for both reading and science. These books would be great for students to sit down and read one day. You could do like one day a week, or you could do, students could sit down and read one a day. This does really help with continuing to expose them to the content and the vocabulary that we are using in both reading and science right now. So students get on to Myon by going to Clever and then to HCPS Hub, and then it is our library links. And then students will see Myon, it should automatically log them in. And then they're going to be looking for their recommended books that are up at the top. They're all science related right now. Even the reading ones are science related because we're doing animal adaptations. In math this week, we will be wrapping up our unit on multiplicative comparison word problems with our test tomorrow. Most of the students have done well with these word problems. We have discussed that the format for our equations are the number of times the number in each group. That repeats equals the total. We are either given two factors where we must multiply to find the total, or we are given one factor and the total and must divide to solve for the missing factor. After that, we will begin our unit on multiplication strategies. We will focus on multiplying multiples of 10 by multiples of 10 and hundreds. We will focus on the place value of those numbers. We will then spend time estimating products of large numbers to help us determine later if our products are reasonable. Our goal in fourth grade is to be able to eventually multiply a 3-digit number by up to a 2-digit number. So for example, 457 times 23, using various strategies based on place value, as well as a traditional algorithm for those students that feel comfortable and ready for that. This week we'll begin this discussion and focus on models only. Attached is our unit information sheet to help with breaking down the benchmark and to give you ideas of how to support your learner at home. We appreciate everything that you do to support your child at home, and we appreciate everything that you are doing right now with signing up for conferences and having discussions with us. As always, let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Always reach out to us. We appreciate it.